Welcome to Python learning series. Suppose if you want to store two values, then we can store them in two different variables. Similarly, if you want to store 100 values, then we can initialize them to 100 variables. But instead of this, I want to store all these 100 values inside a single variable. If a variable is capable of storing more than one value, then we can call them as data structures. There are totally four types of data structures. All these data structure list tuple set dictionary capable of storing more than one value. In this video, let us discuss about list data structure. Let us see the definition of list. List is a data structure which can capable of storing multiple values. The syntax of the list data structure is square brackets. Inside these square brackets, we can store any type of values. All these values stored in a single variable which is called a list data structure. So this is my list data structure with 4 values. In future, if I want to add more values, then I have to use append method. It defaultly add the value at the end of the list. So initially I have 1, 2, 3, 4 values in a list. If I want to add 5, then I have to pass that 5 inside the append method. Then the value 5 will be added at the end of the list defaultly. What if I want to remove any element from the list? I have to use remove method to delete any element from the list. Here I have passed 2 value. Then the 2 from the list will be deleted. This is the updated one. If the 2 occurred more than one value, then the first 2 will be removed using the remove method. Even the 2 occurred many number of times, the first 2 will be deleted. If we want to remove an element based upon the index value, then I have to use pop method. Pop method will delete any index value which is passed inside it. Suppose I want to delete the element 2 which is at the index of 1. So I want to pass the index 1 inside the pop method. Then it will remove the value 2 from the list. Let us come to another example of list. This is my list consists of 5 elements. If I want to print only 2, 3, 4, it means I want to print only part of list. To get some part of list, I have to use slicing method. Slicing method takes the starting index of the list and the ending of the list that we are going to print. Remember, the end value take 1 less than the actual value that will pass inside that slicing method. Suppose I have taken here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as my indexes. If I want to print until 3, then I have to give 4 as my ending value. So the starting index will be 1 and the ending index will be 4, which will print until the third index. If we want to reverse this list, then I have to use double colon minus 1. Here I didn't mention any starting index and the ending index. Starting index will be defaultly taken as 0 and the ending index taken as length of the list. And here minus 1 represents that I want to iterate from the last index, so that every value from the list will be printed in the reverse order. So this is about the reversing of the list. If you understood everything, give a like, follow Growcline for more Python videos.